What's your New Year's resolution? Or do you have a New Year's resolution? Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I hope that you are as fit as fiddle and having an amazing time. Alhamdulillah, absolutely great by the Almighty Allah and with your blessing as well. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about our New Year's resolution. At first, we have to understand what is New Year's resolution. Here, resolution doesn't mean the quality of a picture. একটা ছবির কোয়ালিটি বোঝাতে কিন্তু এখানে রেজলিউশনটা ব্যবহার করা হয়নি। এই রেজলিউশন মানে হচ্ছে you have a serious plan or something to improve in your life in the next year. আপনি নতুন বছরে কোনো প্রতিজ্ঞা করতে চান বা যে কোনো কিছু ইমপ্রুভ করতে চান তখন বলা হয় নিউ ইয়ার্স রেজলিউশন। হোয়াটস ইউর নিউ ইয়ার্স রেজলিউশন মিন? আপনার জীবনের বা আপনার পরের বছরের প্রতিজ্ঞা কি পরিবর্তন আনতে চান? ওকে, দ্যাট ইজ নিউ ইয়ার্স রেজলিউশন। Okay, so now let me give you some examples so that you can understand how to use it in sentences. So first example, my New Year's resolution is to read one book each week. Next example, my New Year's resolution is to avoid oily food to lose my weight. My New Year's resolution is to go to the gym 3 days a week. Next example, my New Year's resolution is to be open-minded. My New Year's resolution is to learn a new language. It can be Spanish or English or Bangla, anything. Okay, my New Year's resolution is to learn how to ride bike. Next example, my New Year's resolution is to learn how to drive a car. And my New Year's resolution is to get married. I know this is funny, but it's true, okay? So I hope you are having a good time and you enjoyed this video. If you really do, please hit the like and share button right now. And today is the last day of this year, and I hope you are having a very good year, a very good day. Tomorrow will be the new day of the new year, and happy new year to all of you, to all my nearest and dearest person, and I wish you all the best. And may the new year bring you a lot of happiness, shower you with joy, peace and love, and may the new year give you a lot of reasons to smile. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.